In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to copy your Facebook profile link. Whether you're promoting a business, sharing your profile in a group, or connecting with new contacts, having your link ready saves time and effort while enhancing your online visibility. To do this, simply head to Facebook. Onto your menus page, tap on your profile name. You will want to tap onto these three dots right here. Now onto the profile settings page, scroll down onto this last option of copy profile link. Your Facebook profile link will get successfully copied to clipboard. You can now share it to all other socials such as Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok. This is particularly valuable for growing your presence and fostering connections with like-minded users in the Facebook community. Well, that's how easy it is to copy your Facebook profile link. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.